Yes, please. S square L of xt minus s x of 0 minus x dash 0. This is not x multiplied by 0. Some people feel like that. No, it is x of t, x of 0, like that. Like f of 0, f of 1, you know it? Function whose variable mutaghayyir takes 0, like that. Okay, Miss Bushra. Okay. Hamid, is it okay? Hamid is there, no?
Yes, Mr.
Okay. You should check your names because Hamid, Hamoud, Hamid Talib. Okay. So this we need to use these rules to solve this equation with Laplace transform. If you take this equation in normal, x double dash plus, it means, in other words, it is nothing but d square plus phi d, okay, of t is have 25, like this. Actually the same, not t, it is x. Why here x double dash, no? So we have to take here x, like that. This and this are same, and you know we know how to solve this. Yc plus yp, like that. Yc plus yp. For Yc auxiliary equation, how much? From chapter 4. Al-Muamil x0, this one. D amil mushtarak, D0, D5, Yc C1 e power 0 t, why I use t? Actually here x is there, no? Here x is there. So I should not use x. I should use some other thing, that's why. Plus c2 e power minus phi t, like that. What is yp from chapter 4? You know yp, 1 over d square plus phi d in 25. We take e power 0, 0 t. We can write 0, 0 here because it is the derivative 0, differentiate, x divide. If we differentiate, how much? T divide 25 e power 0 t. Again if we write 0, now yes, mashallah, because this 0 but this is there, 25. So phi t, like this. So that will be added like this here. That is the old tariqa, direct, chapter 4, that is finding yc and yp. But now in application of Laplace transform, we are using now Laplace transform to solve this, actually. Understand? Okay. But now, for instance, I am changing this. How I am changing? Here I am taking 0 instead of that, because it will create big headache otherwise. 0. Okay, this also 0, x dash also 0. And we will solve, inshallah. Okay. So here we go. Solve IVP, initial value problem, or the differential equation x double dash plus x double dash plus solve x double dash plus phi x dash is a 25 condition x of 0 0 x dash 0 also 0 by using Laplace transforms. The step 1 it will be taking Laplace transform on both sides. That is L of x dash. This mean bracket t you have to write if not given. Phi constant L of x dash t. 25 constant L of 1 lazim. Now what about the formula rule for this? Tadakkar and write s square L of xt minus s multiply x of 0 minus x dash 0. This is actually the rule for this. Plus 5. This L of x dash t how much? Come on. How much? This L of x dash t, the rule formula is as L of xt minus x of 0. Khalas. This is the rule for this, which we discussed here. See? This one for first derivative. This one for second derivative. Okay? Which is already given here also like this. And here like this. Here if you take x, then you can write this as L of xt, and this will become x of 0, this x dash 0 like that. This is for first derivative. Okay? Hello? Who can I get? Watch done? Okay? L of 1 how much? Where is L of 1? Maybe you forget everything. L of 1 is the rule. L of 1 1 over s. Okay? Hamoud. L of 1 how much? 1 over s. Or you can take L of c over s. So L of 25 how much? 25 over s. This is a formula rule. Okay? All of you do one thing. All of you unmute yourself, please. Unmute. And be ready for responding. Hamid done. Shaima Sakhar not done. Sara. Open mic. Bushra open mic. Hamoud. Balkhis. Abdul Malik. Al Muntasar. Where are you? Unmute.
Here, Mr.
Mute, but it's sure. Okay. Now like that. Therefore, the next step, please. Next step. If you see thoroughly, here some certain things are Amal Mushtarak. This one, same or not? Same? Of course. But also, first the step 2 is step 2. Step 1. Step 1, take Laplace transform. on both sides and write the rule, this rule, this rule. Step 2, use these conditions. These conditions. What is that? How much x of 0? X of 0 how much? 0. X dash 0 how much? 0. So x of 0 how much? Shaima, x of 0 how much? Bushra, how much? 0. This we will write here 0, here 0, here also 0. Okay, because these two conditions. So s square same, minus 0 plus 5 multiply s L of xt, but here because this 0 multiply 5 0, no need, 25 over s, like this. The next step will be taking amil mushtarak. This amil mushtarak, L of xt amil mushtarak. That will be step 3. Step 2, use condition. I mean this. So L of xt, if you take common, s square plus how much here? 5s bracket L of xt. Just 2 times, 1 time, here s square, here 5s here. This have 25 over s. So L of xt how much? 25 over s square plus 5s. This will go here, maqam here. What should be the next step? Now x of t, send L to other side, L inwards. 25 being constant, I can write outside, or you put inside, no problem. S, and here S amil mushtarak, can I take? Then S tarbiya S plus 5, like this. Now the challenge is to find this x of t. You want to take 25 outside or not, up to you. You will keep, otherwise S tarbiya S plus 5. Do you know how to find the Laplace transform of this? L inverse. Yes, we did here. This we will use, this topic. See the question here. How is it? In maqam 2 awamil. Okay, Hamoud? Hamoud Al-Muntasar, Amjad Talib, Mafi Nafar, or Mr. Name, what name? Abdul Malik. Then we have to take like this, A over first factor, like this. This way we need to follow now, okay? So to find partial fractions for the inside, 25 over s tarbiya and s plus 5. How to take command? A over, if s tarbiya, we will take like this, a plus b s tarbiya, like this, plus c over this. Here any doubt, please? Hello? No problem?
No problem.
This is the tariqa. For s tarbiya, you have to take s power 1 awwal, again s power 2, like that. Now we need to find A, B, and C. For that, we studied in calculus 2 also. For that, what to do? अव्वल शय write 25 same S tarbiya S plus 5 okay is having this one. Write the same maqam, this one here. How much? Now A, now your mukharana come there. This S, and here how much? Here S is there. Here how much? How much? S square. So, but we need S square. That means here we need to multiply with S. And here this S plus 5 is not there. So take this S plus 5 also. Plus B bracket. Compare mukharana. This is there, then this is there, no? This is there, yes. This one is here, okay. But this is missing, fi ghaib. Fi ghaib multiply here. Plus C. This is there, okay. But this is fi ghaib. So S square here. Then the same cancel. Any question, please? Al-Muntasar. Okay. This one is the what we receive now. P. Now how to find? A, B, C, come on. How to find A, B, C? You remember? We already did last class. Yes, to find A, B, C, our target is to find A, B, and C, which we can substitute here. So for that we go like this. Put S how much? If we put -5, this will become 0. These two. Then we can get C. This C we can get. So 25 here -5. -5 plus 5, 0 plus. -5 plus 5, 0. Here C -5 tarbiya. 25 is heavy. C 25. 25 cancel. C how much? 1. Any question? No question? La. Hello. You got it? Next. Put S is heavy. Now again I want to make some 0. To make 0 S0. If I write S0, this 0 and also this 0, then I can get B. Put S0. That implies here 25 same. This 0 multiply this 0 plus B 0 plus 5 plus here 0 again. How much now? 25 over this taqsim is B. So I get 5 riyal. Like that. Okay. Now C1. C1. I got C. Yes, mashallah, I got C. Okay. This where I can write here 1. I got B. Okay. Here I can write. But I need to get what? Yeah. How to get A? Here mushkila hada getting A. So other tariqa. What is the method? What is the method? This I will take now. This equation I will take. What is that? 25 equals to A S plus 5 plus B S plus 5 plus C S tarbiyah. Now I will multiply S tarbiyah SS plus 5AS plus BS plus 5B plus C square. How much I can write now? Now see, मुखारना मुआमिल المعامل S tarbiyah. This is equal. Here S tarbiyah muamil how much? A. Here S tarbiyah muamil how much? How much? Here mafi S tarbiyah, mafi S tarbiyah, mafi S tarbiyah. Where S tarbiyah here and here. How much here? A muamil. Here how much?
C.
MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. C. Here any S tarbiyah there? Yeah, on the this is Isab, you know, this side mafi S tarbiyah. See? Any S tarbiyah there? No. S tarbiyah is not there. Fi ghaib. Fi ghaib means answer 0. La mawjood means answer how much? 0. Okay. You understand my point?
No.
No means you see check now. I want S muamil in one muadila. This muadila may be 25 is S square. Yeah. Here maybe S is there, suppose. If you see S muamil both sides, this equal, I have to write here. S square muamil, yeah, okay. But this side? No. No means 0 multiply S tarbiyah. I can write like that. No value change. Then how much muamil? How much? How much?
0.
Like that. Understand now? Understood?
Yes.
Like that. That's why this is 0. Al-Muntasar. Allahu Akbar.
Yes, Mr.
Why you won't say anything? 0. S square muamil, this side, mafi. Mafi means I can take 0 like this. Yes. No value change. This I will take here 0. This. Okay, 0 is heavy. Yeah, how much? You got A? No. Don't know. But C how much? C. How much? 1. So A how much? -1. This all why we did? Why to get A? But getting C, getting B was easy. But this is some different. Okay. Now we need to write where this A? Where? Here. Where? How much? B5 here, B5. Here -1, this -1. B5 here. See how much? This here. How I can write? You know, this actually here, how much is that? This is what we took here, no? So here dakhal I can write this whole direct. Okay, here. So x of t is a L inverse bracket it. How much A? How much A? Yeah, how much? -1. -1 over S plus B. How much? B. How much B? 5 over S tarbiyah plus C. How much? Kam C? here 1 over s plus phi. Understand? If you see here, this is one khabila here. See, khabila same because taqsim, darb same khabila. But now, how many khabila? How many? La.
3.
3. Like this. Then the rule can be applied. Which rules? These rules. See, I mean to say these rules now. Okay. For L inverse. Now this will be applied. This or this or this or this. We can apply now like that. Because these are the standards. But that is only multiplication. So we need to split. Now x of t L inverse 1 over s. Are you right? Minus outside plus phi outside constant L inverse 1 over s square plus L inverse 1 over s plus phi like this. What is the next step? The last step will be minus this minus L inverse of 1 over s is 1 if you remember the rule plus phi L inverse of 1 over s square, L inverse of 1 over s power n. The rule is t power n minus 1, n minus 1 factorial. So t n minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 factorial. This you know L inverse of 1 over s plus a cam e power minus a t. Khalid, okay? Like this. This is the final answer. So x of t how much? Finally minus 1 plus phi t plus e power minus phi t plus color stop. Okay. This will be for the long answer like this. Any question? Check now. Any question you want to ask? This is the end of chapter 5. Next week, Monday, you have to write the self-study quiz on this chapter, chapter 5. Same chapter, but for that you need to do the workbook given for quiz preparation. No need to submit me to that, but you need to prepare that. And in that same type, these type questions I put there. If you check this video lecture, you can answer that. Understand? For example, this topic, I put one question there. Previous topic, for this topic, I put same type question there. For this question, same I put there like that. For this question, parallelly, I put one question there like that it is. Understand? Like twin brothers, twins. What you say? Like cousins. Okay. For same this type of question I put there like that. Understand? Open mic and say something. Khaled, are you okay? Oh. Now, if you are ready, we can go with chapter 6. Any question here, please? Okay. One time I will give the review of chapter 5 now. What was chapter 5? Laplace transforms. Actually, it is divided into two, L inverse. L means L of 1 over S. You can have L of constant thabit C over S. L of e power a t 1 over S minus a. L of e power minus a t 1 over S plus a. L of sine a t a over S square plus a square. How much again? L of cosine a t S divide S square plus a square. From where we get a? This a is coming here. This al-muamil t coming here. This plus a isharat taghayyur minus a isharat taghayyur right here. Okay. Okay. What we studied next? L of sine h a t. Here mafi h, no h. Same, but here minus. L of cosine h a t. Here mafi h. Here same but minus. These are the rules for Laplace transform. L of t power n factorial divide S power n plus 1, where n means 1, 2, 3, so on like this. This is L inverse. L inverse means inverse. L inverse of, if you change L to this side like this, it looks like this. L inverse of 1 over S 1. L inverse of C over S C like this. See? This is free now here. This one you need to write like this. Dakhal. L inverse of how much? Say this is cosine at. This is e power at. L inverse of okay. Okay, brother. Clear? These are the rule. The other rule very important. L inverse of 1 over S power n. How much? D power n minus 1 taqsim n minus 1 factorial. Okay, Hamoud? Al-Muntasar. Amjad Talib. Bushra. Shaima.
Yes, Mr. Here.
Balkhis. These rules you should keep in mind first.
Yes, Mr.
When you keep these rules in mind, the things will be easy. The next slide will be for review. The things will be going for next the formulas, rules, etc. like that. First shifting theorem, L of e power at ft. L of t power n ft. This is multiplication by t, these two rules. Here we use like L of ft, but आखिर shay we change s goes to s minus a. I mean to say this plus a, I cancel this. See here, Murphy it is only ft here. That goes as minus a. Akhar. This also I want to cancel actually. How cancel? Not direct. Minus 1 power this n dn by ds power n derivative bracket. Now only write ft. This is for L. But for L inverse, the challenge will be this one. How to find s plus a? For that e power, you want to cancel a, then minus at L inverse, write s. The same one will be fs minus a. You want to cancel minus a, e power plus at, isharat agayo, plus a minus, minus plus. Here also see, plus, here minus. Like that. Here only s is copied. Here only s is copied. You check the videos, inshallah you will get. This is the review actually. Everything depends on this. And another thing, just today we discussed Laplace transform of derivatives and how to solve differential equation with this. We did that. Okay. Now chapter 6. This is the last chapter. But one aspect we have from the other chapter, which is very small topic. This also we are not taking more for you, less only. But maybe I want to go for you again here only. For some time, I want to spare with you on chapter 5 only first again. For example, how to find L inverse of 1 over s plus 2 whole power 7. Come on. When I wrote the standard rules, L inverse 1 over s power n, I wrote t power n minus 1. Now, can I apply this here? Can I apply this here? Your idea, please. Please talk. If you are not talking, the class will not be understandable. You have to participate in the discussion. It is discussion, not one way. Yes. What is the mushkila here? Can I apply this rule? N how much? N. How much is n? N how much? N is 7 in Zen, okay. But S? In place of S, how much is there?
Yes, plus.
Yes. Jazakallah. That is the mushkila. So we want to cancel, that means we need to apply the rule e power. This plus 2 will become minus 2 multiply t lazim. Then L inverse, this will become S. S power 7 like this. Now this is okay with this. Here S. Here S. Here also S. Now I can apply this rule here, yes, for this. Now okay. Before not okay. Because plus 2 more. I need to remove 2 by this rule. Now okay. How much now? T power? Yes. 6 divide 6 factorial like khalas. Understand? Hello.
Yes, Mr.
Like this. But sometimes on the same maybe sometime L inverse 1 over or S plus 2 over S minus 1 over 4. Yes, what is the mushkila here? We know the rule for this. Here S lazim, not S plus A, but here how much? How much?
-1.
So that we want to cancel, but we cannot cancel direct because this S is different again. This is normal, but this is not normal. We need to make uniform. We need to make uniform. I mean, same should be there. Nafs shay. If here S minus 1, here also lazim S minus 1. What I say? Here S minus 1. So here also lazim S minus 1. How I can bring? I want minus 1 here. How? See, I am standing in market, suppose. So I want to purchase something, but actually I have less money. I need 1 real. What I will do? What I will do? This my friend, suppose. I need 1 real. What I will do? I will call him. Please give 1 real. I will give later. That means he will give 1 real. That means what? Minus 1 real he has. Why? He gave to me his money. Understand? Later what I will do? Then I will give 1 real to him again. Minus 1 plus 1. So he got okay. Like that I need how much here? How much?
-1.
So I will take, I gave to him. Then he will give like this. Can I cancel 1 minus 1 here? Can I cancel? Yes. Then no value change. See, having 10 real Omani or 10 real Omani minus 1 real Omani plus 1 real Omani. How much is this total? This cancel how much? 10. This is only Mafi Faida. Like that. Like that, here I need minus 1 to make with the uniform, same thing. Nafs shay. But minus 1, oh, when you do something, you have to add. So balance like that. Now, okay. Now, how much I need to write? The rule e power, want to cancel minus 1, e power plus 1 multiply t, L inverse. Kam hada inside? This how much? This will go for S. This will go for S. S is 3. This how much? S over 4. Then like this. Clear? I repeated this question. Why? Because if you understand this question, that means you understand almost Laplace transform, we can say. This is the heart for Laplace transform. Of course, other things you can watch there. Can I stop this? Further any questions, please you can ask me later. We go for chapter 6. This also easy. Why is we will repeat the same thing but in different way, like chapter 4. Very easy. In the very first beginning, we discussed there that differential equation is of two types. One is ordinary, one is partial. Ordinary means d like this. Partial like this. Do it has. So if you write a equation like this, dou u x plus x dou u dou y equals to 10, something like this. This is partial differential equation because here dou is there. But how to solve this is the question now. Solving ordinary differential equation, we know the separable or linear, Bernoulli, exact, first order, first degree. For second and third order or higher order, we know complementary function plus particular integral. Okay. But right now, how to solve partial differential equation is the target. Understand? This is chapter 4. D square solving chapter 4. First order solving chapter 1, 2, like that, 3. But now, partial derivatives. This is partial differential equation definition. It contains these, he is saying. Here 3 standard equations are there. This may be coming for the 1 mark, ikhtiyari. Wave equation, they may give this. This is one-dimensional heat equation, harara flow. Harara flow muadila like this. Two-dimensional heat flow. Then this will be the equation or Laplace equation. This. Okay. What is the Laplace equation in 2 dimension? 2 dimension. The question may be A, B, C, D. This may be there. Or this. Okay. This is the first topic. What is the topic? Solve the equation by the method of separation of variable. How to solve it? We will start with this. Dou by dou x. Yes, solve is equal to 4 dou by dou y. Given u of 0 by a t power minus 3y. Okay. By the method of separation of variables. Is there anybody in lecture or where son of her? If in Kulliya you want to leave class and you want to go, he will ask. Mr. I will come 1 minute, 5 minutes like this. Hello.
Here,
Here,
Mr.
Mr. Yes. Now this we need to solve this. This method is called, we will use this method. The method of separation of variables is that. That is what is the method is. We need to start like this. We will take what is the upper variable here. Come on, read. How much? Read. U. That U we will take as what is the lower? How much is here? We will take respectively X capital. What is here? How much here? Small y. Small y relatively we take Y capital, not small y. Next step will be, this will be say 1. We will find dou u by dou x, this one. Dou u by dou small x. This we need partial derivative. Small x, we will differentiate only x, y is constant now. So x dash y, not 1, because this small x, this is capital X. Not same. If this is small x, then derivative 1. But this is not small x, this is x capital X, x small x. So we need to write x dash y. We don't know how much that, like that. Next, we need to find this derivative. How much dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is how much? We need to differentiate. This is y. We will differentiate only y capital Y, not x. X constant now. X same nafs shay. Y dash. Understand? Say 2. Say 3. Write 2 and 3 in the given equation. Given equation says star. Put 2 and 3 in star. How much then? What is dou u by dou x? That is here. How much is that? X dash y. We write x dash y here. For what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y. X y dash here. How much? Now x dash divide. We want all x one side. That is separation. Separation means what? Separation means all x one side, all y other side. 4x. All x one side. Y dash divide y. Okay. Hello. Now all x one side, all y one side. Is some k, we say some k like that. Some name. From this, take these and this separate. X dash divide 4x is k. Another equation. Y dash or y is k like this. So x dash minus is 4kx. This is y dash is ky. Darb tabadili like this. Later what happens? This one. X dash minus 4kx0. This is the derivative d minus 4kx0. Auxiliary equation. Chapter 4 now. Chapter 4. X dash means d. We can write d. 4k same. X amil mushtarak. Auxiliary equation al muamil x0. Chapter 4. D how much? 4k. Here how much is there, please? How much? To whom I can say contact? How much is here? X. That means X is XC, complementary function. Because here 0. If here 0, what is the rule? Chapter 4. Enough XC, complementary function. No need particular integral because this is 0. You did that. Now just C1 e power. How much now? The root. Mukhtalif root. 4k. And what I need to write here, that is a challenge now. That is how much? X, small x, small x. Because this x, capital X, you write small x. Bas khalas. Only one wahed root, so stop. Other root plus C2 e power that x like that. This is same like complementary function, okay? Hamoud, Bushra, okay? Al-Muntasar.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. This is easy way. Only this is different. Only from here up to here, some different. But from here, not up to here, okay, if you feel from here up to here. But this is we know already, not a new way. But the other way will be like this. After this, take this again. This model now, this one. What is that? Y dash isavi ky. So y dash minus ky 0. Here also I will write like this. For y dash, come on, how much? Auxiliary equation, how much? E al-muamil y0. E isavi k. Now how much I need to write? Here y no? So yc chem. Already C1 is used. You cannot use same. So you write C2 e power. How much? The root is k. K, how much here? Come on. Here, if you see for x, capital X, small x. For y, capital Y, how much here? How much? Small y. Okay, like that. So this is say Muadila 4, Muadila 5. Muadila 4, Muadila 5. We have to write in Muadila 1 here. Put 4 and 5 in 1. How much? 1. What is 1? Read. U is how much? What is x? X how much? Yes, Bushra, x how much? How much is x value? Come on. How much? What is x value? It's x how much? You need to write this x value here. Why is this voice is coming like this? Al-Muntasar, your voice not coming, maybe. U how much? This one. Y how much? Y capital Y here, this one. This we need to write here, okay? Here. So C2, this C2 e power ky. Do you know what is U? U means U of x comma y. Y here mutaghayyir x, mutaghayyir y. This small x we will write mutaghayyir y like this. C1 C2 e power 4kx and e power ky. Okay. What is the given condition? Check condition. How much? This now we have to use. This is the condition given. Check that. If you take that, the things will be clear. How much given? It is given that u of 0y, u of 0y, how much? U of 0y, how much? 8 e power minus 3y. How much is u of 0y? How much is u of 0y? Okay. Now see, what I will do is, this is the x value. X how much? X given how much? X how much? Hello? X how much given? So given x is 0. Y mafi tagayyur same. So that we need to write here. Say equation 6. So sixth equation implies u of x0 here 0, y here also you need to write that. C1 C2 e power x how much? This is 0. This will become 0 now. So e power 0 e power ky as it is, because y maafi tagayo. This if you check this, what is the value here? What is the value here? This same, no? This one. So I can write for this 8 e power minus 3y. Now Mukharana, compare. C1, C2 how much? How much? Tabania. If you compare this K how much? Y muamil K. Y muamil how much here? Hello. Y muamil how much? Minus 3. Therefore, this will change again. Sitta. Sitta implies u of x, y, the answer, final answer. The C1, C2 value, how much you got? 8. E power k is minus 3. You write here k minus 3, here minus 3. 4 multiply minus 3x e power minus 3y. You answer 8 half. This is the answer. Any questions for today? I think we have to stop up to here, because no responses are coming from you. But any doubt in this, please? Allahu Akbar. Hello? No response, maybe it's gonna continue. Okay. Any question on this?
No,
Hello?
Mr.
This will be a long answer in exam, like this. maybe here you see they gave x0, maybe here not 0, some other value, or x same but y may be given some value like that also, but other y will be almost same we follow. Okay. Okay, inshallah. Yes. Assalamu alaikum. थोड़ा बाद में मैं करता हूँ मैसेज. Yes, any questions please?
No, sir. Can we
Okay.
leave?
This is okay for you?
Yes.
Then, but prepare for the things, okay?
Okay. Can we leave now?
No, 1 minute, 1 minute. Your attendance important. And